Hi everybody, this is Mr. Regner, math teacher here at Pfeiffer Intermediate. And I just received something in my mail and I don't think it's really addressed to me. In fact, it looks like it's addressed to you. That's right, this is your personal invitation to join us for our conferences here at Pfeiffer. So at Pfeiffer, our fall conference schedule this year is going to be 3 days, 2 evenings and 1 day really. So Tuesday, October 2nd, Thursday, October 4th, each from 5 until 8 p.m. And then on Friday, October 5th, that's going to run from 8 a.m. until 3 p.m. So the way conferences work is we basically have a 15-minute time slot set aside where we get a chance to talk about how things are going for this year, our goals and expectations for the remaining part of the year, and of course you get a chance to share any concerns that you might have with us as teachers. And so again, this is my invitation to you to set up your conference time. So you might ask, how do I do it? Well, good thing you asked. Registration is going to be beginning this Sunday. That's Sunday, September 23rd at 6 o'clock p.m. And it's all available through the the Perry Local Schools website. So you can go to Perry Local Schools on Google or whatever it may be. You'll find the information right smack dab there at the top of the web page. So it's a pretty simple process. You just log in, enter in your student's name, enter in your name, some contact information, and you're booked. Now the thing about conferences is that those time slots can tend to fill up fast. So if you're interested in getting a time slot, I would recommend sooner rather than later. Of course, if you don't make it to a conference, you're always welcome to contact us here at the school, send us a message, an email, a phone call. Those are all great ways to get a hold of us. So, again, this is Mr. Regner. I'm hoping that I get a chance to see you during our conferences. And by the way, you can bring your 6th grade student along. We always love to include students in our conferences. So, hoping to see you then. Have a great day.